Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the coconut. The coconut is a tropical fruit. It has a hard brown or green shell and white meat inside. I like to drink coconut water, and I often drink it twice a week. It tastes fresh and sweet. Besides, it is also very good for health. We can use the white meat inside to make cakes, candies, oil, or coconut milk. Coconut trees can give fruit after 5 to 7 years of planting. They grow well in tropical countries. I often see them growing near the beach. Coconut is a special and popular fruit in Vietnam. It grows a lot in the south, especially in Ben Tre province. That is some information about the coconut. Leave a comment and tell me what you know about coconuts. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.